Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be building my Toca Boca house with you guys. So pretty much in this house I have to it's a pre-built, so I'm going to make it look like something I did. So all this that you wouldn't see in the regular Coastal Villa house when it's pre-built is what I have already done. So also guys, my microphone was not working this entire time, so I had to voice over this, so I don't actually know what I was saying and stuff. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm about to start building now, guys. Yeah, okay, I am. So pretty much I wanted to make a video for you guys, but my camera wasn't working and I didn't feel like editing and I couldn't find my intro and it kept happening, so I just decided not to film for a little while. So that's why I took such a long break, and I will not take that long of breaks anymore. I think I might just post like every few days or every few weeks or something, or like every week, I don't know. So anywho, I have to start adding things to my Toca Boca house, and pretty much I explained why my microphone has not been working, but yeah, my microphone wasn't working. So pretty much my microphone's not been working because I've been using my Apple Pen while I was using my microphone, because I don't know why, but I was. So now, because of that, my microphone didn't work. Also, I think I may have forgot to turn my microphone on, because I had turned it on before I started filming, but when I started filming, I started using my Apple Pen. And also sometimes when I click like start filming and stuff, it turns off my microphone. So yeah, so that's why this entire video, it's just like, whoa, wait, your microphone's not working and this is a voiceover. Also, I said right here, I think I said that I'm just gonna act like one of the twins put the get out sign right there, because yeah. Also, then I scroll down a little bit and you guys will soon see me making a lemonade stand for the twins in my roleplay series. So I'm really excited for this, because guys, I'm not even sure if you guys can like really hear my voice good, because I've been trying to project, but I cannot project well. Look, see, I got the lemonade stand out, and you guys will see the process of me making a lemonade stand in Toca Boca. This is so fun. I love making Toca Boca videos, but I don't like when I have to voice over them. Also guys, if I'm like quiet for like a little bit too long for you guys, just know I am watching It's Norella, okay? I'm watching It's Norella because I love It's Norella's videos. They're so good. So I'm gonna be watching her if I don't respond, okay? For a little while. But you guys can peacefully enjoy the beautiful making of a lemonade stand, okay guys? So yeah, just watch that while I'm like really quiet. Also guys, I'm gonna add a bunch of music and stuff when I'm not talking, so like yeah. Okay guys, so now I am done watching the video. I started watching it and it was like a little bit of time left, so that's why it's like so quick. Alright, girl, I've never seen It's in a Real video go by that fast. Right now I'm about to watch her aesthetic updated house tour. So anywho, I think I added this because the twins are like, anyways, I need the money, because I said they're going to do something in the next video and it's gonna involve this. It's gonna involve it. Letting y'all know. Sorry, ruined the video, surprise. But I had to tell you guys, okay? I just really wanted to tell you guys, okay? I ruined it twice. How do I do that twice? Or it's like on purpose. But no, it's not on purpose, actually. You would think so, but it's not. So anyways, I finished that area. I thought it was really cute. think I did well with it. I don't know. If I didn't do well, please tell me, because I will add more. I think if you think I just need to add more pool floaties, I will definitely be adding them. I just don't have it right now, and yeah, that's the whole reason. Like, you know, I accidentally deleted one of the stupid chairs, and I had almost forgotten where they were. Where one of those yellow, like, those white chairs with, like, the yellow thing on them were. So I had to go searching in both of the chair areas because I forgot. Sorry guys, I had to yawn. I think that's what I said right now, but I also did have to actually do that though. I just had woke up and I was filming for you guys, so like, you know, really fun. Now the rest of this room so much because I already have finished it, but I do need to add some finishing details, so that is what I started doing. Guys, my microphone was not working this entire video. I filmed for 34 minutes and my microphone wasn't working. You mean to tell me I spent 34 minutes filming just for my microphone to not work? Like, for what? Also, guys, if you do not like my profile picture, just trust it will be changed today, okay? It will be changed today. Today, Gia is changing her profile picture! Sorry, guys. Sorry if you're using headphones. I apologize. So I did do a little bit of editing. I moved the couch over. I added some plants. I wonder if Tokaboka makes these plants themselves, or is he making for Tokaboka? Or does Tokaboka copy someone's house and do that? Because what? You don't need a whole game to came up with this by itself. So guys, this is the little timeout corner. I forgot to make the. I'm not gonna make the timeout poster because, you know, I don't want to. I'm too lazy to. So like, you know, yeah. Of course, this is gonna be adorable and like, anyways. Bro, I'm so sorry. Why did I do that? Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Ew. Sorry guys, my whole video is like a headphone trigger warning. People who are watching this video with headphones, I am so sorry for you. I feel so bad for you. But let's just skip to the good parts because this room is like so boring. So let's skip to meeting the characters. Okay, so this character right here is Zara. Now let's skip to the twins. So this is Zoe and this is Chloe. Don't know why they have flowers. Then we have the dad. He won this plushie for the older sister because he got them the flowers. And then we have the mom. Also, guys, I have forgot the babies, but they are. We haven't named them yet, so leave baby name comments in the description, in the link in the comments. Sorry, I did not mean to say in the link in the comments in the description. I meant to say in the comments. Okay. In the link and in the description, in the link in the description, in the link in the comments. That wasn't my microphone. Like 3 seconds working. It only does those stupid 3 seconds. I am so sorry if you have headphones on. I should add a warning. But like, you know. Then I just did some stuff for the dogs. But let's just skip all the way to the 3rd floor, and then actually let's just go to the end, guys. I'm sorry. Going to straight to the end. So here I finished the video, and I was saying how I think you guys should just like and subscribe and everything, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.